Welcome to the True North Concepts Universal Mount Install video. The Universal Mount is designed to allow for a wide array of popular holsters to fit our proven modular holster adapter system. For the purpose of this video, we will be installing the Blackhawk Holsters Omnivore Multi-Fit onto the Universal Mount set for the MHA system. You will need to use hardware from both the yellow and white bag, as well as your original hardware from Blackhawk. It is recommended to install the binding post between the mount and adapter before attaching the two items. It is recommended to work on a flat surface and keep downward pressure between the universal adapter and the holster. Ensure that all mounting points are secured before attaching to the MHA system. To mount the holster to the MHA, it is now recommended to use 3 rubber spacers. Use medium thread locker once you have established your install positioning and test to confirm it is secure. Please refer to the website for more photos. Questions, comments, concerns, please contact info@truenorth-usa.com. Thank you for choosing True North Concepts.